Yung mga delay minsan mayroong binibigay sa atin na Panginoon na pagkaunawa. Bakit kailangan minsan madelay? What seems like silence is actually set up. Promises are coming to pass. Mind these, brothers and sisters, we, the church, should know where we should stand. Understanding and knowing. Yung understanding, para yun sa time. Pag may understanding ka ng time, then you will know what to do. There will come a time the captives will come back and your hearts will be filled with joy. Your mouths will be filled with laughter. And once again, you will dream about being wealthy once again. Once again, you will fill your heart with dreaming. Nasasabihin mo, like the rivers in the Negev, you will restore our fortunes. May pangako kasi ang Lord. That is your portion. That is your inheritance, mga kapatid. Hindi pwedeng i-invade ng ruthless men. There is a generational transfer of wisdom every time you listen. Shema Israel, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. Listen. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one God. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength, and love your neighbor as yourself. Wow! The instructions of David passed on to the next generation, the anointing and the calling of a father.